Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show you how I fixed my treadmill. At first I thought the belt was slipping and I tried to tighten it in the back here, but what I found out is, sorry for all the dust here, this is kind of old, but I found out that this pulley here was spinning free from the actual bar, the roller here. So it kind of felt like we were walking on ice sometimes because the roller would slip and causing the belt to feel like it was slipping. So basically, this roller spinned independently of this pulley, but they should be spinning together. And when this roller spin freely, it caused the belt to slip. So an easy way, there's several videos on how to do this, but I thought this was pretty easy. Some people talk about actually loosening the bar, but all I did was I actually just, on this is a Proform 725 EX or something like that. EX, yeah. Sorry, really dusty. So basically all I did was I loosened this nut right here, and that allowed me to take the tension off this belt, and I just slipped this belt off. And I didn't touch the roller or anything, kept that all intact. So this was the only nut I loosened. And then what I did, you can see here, I drilled a hole through the top. I'm assuming this is considered a pulley. I drilled a hole through the top here. Then I got these self-drilling metal screws. So you can see that on the end, those are self-drilling. So they kind of tap their own hole. So I drilled through the pulley, and then I drilled through the base of the pulley, and then this rod is pretty solid. So I was able to get penetrated a little bit. And then you can see there, I used an impact drill to get the screw in. And I also threw on some kind of bond. This is some Gorilla Glue, just to keep that in there. And that's all I needed, and it seems to be working fine. So again, just loosen that nut, take the tension off the belt, and then I kind of slightly tightened this so it wasn't too loose. And then I pulled up on this to put that tension back in. And the tension, you can see here, as long as that doesn't go past 90 degrees when you twist it, it's a little before 90 degrees, so it doesn't go totally vertical. And that's how you can tell there's enough tension there. And I actually put 3 screws in. There's that one there, and then I spaced them around the whole thing. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope it helps you out. It's a quick and easy fix, cheap fix. These screws are only like $2. And then I just had my 2 drill bits. I had this one drill bit to make the big hole. I had the smaller drill bit to make the penetrating hole. And just make sure your smaller drill bit is a little smaller than the base of the screw. You can see right there that the drill bit's just a little smaller. And then you have the self-tapping screw. And that was it. So, if this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing, and staying tuned for other videos on fixing, do-it-yourself, home improvements, all that kind of stuff.